Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to Chaos and Her Nails. I'm Paula, aka Chaos, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the different sizing methods for press-on nails. And if you stick around to the end, we're also going to talk about the pre-made small, medium, and large sizing sets, because I know that when a lot of people place an order, either with me or most likely with other people too, they have no idea what the small, medium, large sizes mean. I know a lot of people think that it has to do with the length of the nail, and it doesn't. So I want to get that cleared up for you guys as well. So with that being said, let's get started. So there's two methods to measure your own nails. Okay, so we're going to go through both methods. In both methods, you're going to need either a ruler with centimeters, or you're going to need a measuring tape. Yeah, so I feel like I keep seeing people posting these sizes in millimeters, but I think it's actually supposed to be in centimeters, because 1 inch, let me show you. 1 inch in millimeters is actually 25 millimeters. So I feel like a lot of those videos where it shows you the sizes in millimeters, they either they mean centimeters, or they're in a different country. I'm talking about Canada. We're dealing with centimeters. Okay. That being said, let's talk about the first sizing method. So you can use either string, which I have right here. I'm going to move this for now. You can use either string or you can use tape. If you're going to use tape, just regular tape is fine. It's not, you don't have to get anything fancy. Don't use duct tape or like any kind of tape that's going to stick super well. Like we're not looking for, the product of all time here. We're looking for just convenience, fast, easy ways to do things, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this string. Okay, and I'm going to measure my nail. Now, you don't want to measure it down here. And you don't want to measure it past, like if you have like a long nail, I don't have a long nail, but if you have like long nails, you don't want to measure it up here, because that's not what we're looking for. We want the widest part of your nail bed that's still attached to your sidewalls. Your sidewalls are here and here. Okay, so we want the widest part. Now my widest part is right about here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little Sharpie. I should have told you what you need, but you'll see what you need as I go along, I guess. Okay, so you have your little markings, right? Now you're going to take, I'm going to do it with this actually, because I feel like this is a lot easier. Are you able to see that? Can we zoom in? Can we get a zoom? Okay, so now we're going to take our string that we have marked up nicely, and we're going to place it on the ruler. Okay, now I don't know if you can see where the black mark is, but I've got it marked here. So we're going to count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so it's like a 17 or 18. Sometimes I measure it and I get 17, sometimes I get 18. Now I do know for a fact that at 17 or 18, that's a 0, and I know that my thumb is a 0. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab a piece of paper. You're going to grab a piece of paper and a pen. and you're going to write thumb 17, and because I already know that my thumb is a 0, I'm just going to put 0, and you're going to do that for all of your fingers, right? Now, I also know that my hands are the same sizes on both, so I don't have to measure my other hand, but if you guys have never done it before, if you've never measured your nails before, measure both hands so you can do, you know, your left, and then like your nails, and then right. And then you just take a picture of this. Even if you don't have the actual nail size, that's not important. Just send us this, because we'll figure it out. Like, I mean, you know, and then what'll happen is, going forward, we'll keep this on file. So the next time you order something from us, we'll have your information on file, and you won't have to size your nails again. Now, also keep in mind that different companies of press-ons, you might be a different size. Not 100% always, but you might be. Okay, so the second method is very similar to the string, but you're gonna grab a piece of tape and you're going to put it over your nail like so, and you're going to mark. I did a really horrible job of marking that, mind you, but that's okay. We're not looking for, you know, total perfection. So now we're going to take that, and I'm going to try and zoom in here again so you guys can see. We're going back to 14. And as you can see, it's pretty much the same thing. So, I mean, we already know that that's 17 millimeters or centimeters or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so that's your first method. Okay, so another method to sizing your nails is the coin method. Is the coin method, and this one is actually, this one is actually really easy. It's a lot easier than the string method, and if you're not going to buy, like, the sizing kit is the easiest thing, but if you don't want to buy the sizing kit, this is by far your next best bet. So you're going to take a coin. Now, I've got a dime here, but you can choose a quarter, nickel, whatever. And you're going to place it there. And you're going to, I would do like your 4 fingers. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a photo of your nails. And I'm going to just take a quick photo here. Now, when you take that photo, you're going to do that, and you're going to do the same thing with your thumb, because you're going to want your thumb in there as well. I would probably do it like that. So you just take photo like that. Now, and then what you're going to do is you're going to send this along with your thumb picture to your nail tech. So either it'll be myself or anyone else you choose to purchase press-on nails from, and you're going to send them these pictures, and they will then take their dime or take the matching coin and line it up until it fits. And then they're going to be the ones that size your nail from there. And they can use the string method, the tape method, you know, they can use whatever method they want, and they'll just measure your nails. So it's the least amount of work for you next to getting the sizing kit. Excuse me. It's that simple, folks. The next thing you can do if you really don't want to be bothered with all of that is you can order a size kit. Most people that make press-on nails, most nail technicians, they have sizing kits. I have a sizing kit available as well. And basically what is going to happen is you're going to get a card in the mail. For me, I charge $3 Canadian for mine. A lot of people charge around the same. Some people charge $5. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get 10 nails, or like depending on the brand of nails that your nail tech uses. Some brands have 12 sizes, some brands have 11 sizes. So however many sizes that brand has, you're going to get one of each. And you're going to, let me just show you here. So one of the brands I use is a brand called Link Q. What I like about them is that they're already pre-etched, so I don't have to worry about that too much. And what you're going to do is, so this is a size 0, you're going to take that and you're going to put it, and it fits nicely on my nail, so that's how I know. So the 0 that we got before fits perfect. Okay, so you're going to get one of each. So here you got your 0, your 1, your 2, your 3, and it's going to come stuck to this. You can't really see it because it's a clear nail. And you're going to just take each nail and you're going to put it up against your finger and see which one fits good. And how you're going to know it fits good is, so this is a size 1, okay? You're going to take it and you're going to put it up against your nail. Now if you look and see, I don't know if that camera's going to focus or if you can actually see it. It's not, there's a part of my nail that's exposed. And again, on that side, it's exposed. So you don't want that. That's why this nail is the best fit for me, because when you put it on, you have that and it covers fully. Now, some people might be in between sizes. If you find that you have like an in-between size, it's always better to go with the bigger size than it is with the smaller size. I just feel like it works out better. So you order one of those, and what you're going to do is you're going to, put it on. Okay, 0 works, and what you're going to do is on the back, you have your left and your right. So what you'll do is, so this is my left thumb and it's a size 0, so you'll just put 0. I know that my index finger is a 5, so I'm just going to put 5. Right? And then you just fill it in like that. If you want to, you can write the length of your nail over here and the shape that you want. So if you want coffin, square, stiletto, whatever, right? And if you want medium length. So when I say small, medium, and large in this scenario, I mean the length of your nail, because that's what it says here, okay? Which brings me to the final topic, okay? I make pre-made sets. And these pre-made sets, let me just grab some to show you. These pre-made sets, okay, come in sizes extra small, large, and what these sizes mean, and I have a reference on my Instagram. So if you go to Chaos and Her Nails Instagram page, if you're not following it already, please, I'd appreciate a follow. That would be awesome. But if you just want to go check it out, that's also fine. Check it out and you'll see it's pinned to the top of my posts. It's a post that has what these sizes mean. So if you look on my page, whoops. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, so if you look on my profile, this is my Instagram profile. This is the post you're looking for. It's your measurements. So you'll see the extra small, your thumb, so it goes from thumb to pinky. Okay, so the extra small would be a 3, 6, 5, 7, 9. Now, these are good if basically the reason we have these sizes is because most people can fit these sizes. Most people can make do. And if you wear press-on nails a lot, you kind of know what you can make do with and what you can't. So you can try your luck out with one of these sizes as well and see, because sometimes this is the closest, you'll get the size that's the closest to what your actual size is, and you don't really have to worry about measuring. Again, these sizes can be hit and miss, especially if you have nail beds that are far different. Like for me, the large wouldn't fit me. The thumb would, but the rest of the nails would be completely off. Because as you see here, these are my actual sizes. So I'm one of those rare people that has really weird sizes. But it's also because I have flat nail beds too. So if you have a flat nail bed, you might be better off with just measuring your nails in the ways that I showed you, or ordering a size kit and seeing which one fits you better. I hope that this video has cleared some stuff up for you guys. Hopefully you guys will let me know in the comments, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. You can ask them in the comment section, or you can ask them in my Instagram. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe to me and hit that notification bell, because I will be posting more videos. I'm trying to post twice a month, but if I can post more than that, I will also do that as well. Okay, until next time, everybody, see ya.